Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable incoming app notification flashlight settings on the Vivo Y200. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on shortcuts and accessibility. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on dynamic light. Now from here, just enable dynamic light. Now from here, just tap on notifications. Now from here, just enable this toggle. Now, once you enable this feature and if you receive a notification on your smartphone, the aura light will start blinking to notify you that you have received a notification on your smartphone. And this is how you can enable incoming app notification flashlight settings on the Vivo Y200. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.